guys, and welcome to another video of the Curious Explorer. Today I am at the Long Pine Key Campground in the Everglades National Park, and I'm going to be camping here for 2 days. We just got here and we're going to start off by setting up the tent. All ready and our tent is set up. The showers are heated with solar panels, so you don't have to worry about taking a cold shower. The bathrooms are also in a very convenient spot in between two loops. We were in Site 82, which was really close to the amphitheater. Right now, we are in the amphitheater of the Long Pine Key Campground. Rangers actually come here and make presentations about the Everglades and the plants and animals that are here on the weekends of the dry season. To my left, there is a lake, and in the middle of that lake, there is a key which is called Long Pine Key, which is where the name of the campground came from. I think we can hike around this lake, so that's what we're going to do right now. You see that color difference in the water? That's caused by limestone under the surface of the water, which is lighter than the surrounding rock, which makes the water look as if it's lighter. So we're nearly done with the trail, and you can actually see the amphitheater back there. And the whole trail was pretty dry the whole way, and it took us about 15 minutes. But what I'm not sure about is if this trail stays dry all year round. Because right now it's the dry season and it doesn't really rain a lot right now. But in the summer it's the wet season and it rains a lot. So it might flood since this is a lake and lakes sometimes overflow. Alright, so right now my dad and I are making the fire. So we have all our tinder and kindling in, and we're going to be putting our fuel in a little later. Since we're here in South Florida, there's a lot of palms around here, so that's what we're going to use mainly for our tinder and kindling. My dad and I made baked potatoes. This is the way that my dad did it. I just took the simpler way and put some oil on an aluminum foil sheet, put a Yukon potato in there, wrapped it up, and threw it in the fire. So the potato I put in earlier, it's ready, and it smells like a French fry. Wow, that looks really good. So I'm gonna take a bite out of this. It's really hot. Oh, this tastes like a French fry. Here you go, campfire French fries. Time to eat dinner, and right here I have some small naan breads and some paneer, which is also known as cottage cheese here in America. So that's it for today. We're gonna call it a day now. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and together let's continue to explore.